was the reason that you think India needed a horror comedy universe? The Maddock horror comedy universe.
I think when we made the first film has to work. After that, very intentionally, we have left breadcrumbs throughout the films. And Shraddha will make an interesting announcement now how that will unfold. But the idea was that I feel that we have such a rich folklore. Even if you look at Thama, you know, we look at the West for these kind of films, but this film is about Betals. Betals are enriched in our own culture. But we look at the West and say it's such an original thought. But because we are such an old civilization, a lot of original ideas are actually taken from our history. But we were very aspirational to the West, but you know, thanks to the way India has progressed and the way we've become so proud of who we are, and I think that change in the last 10 years uh, made us want to build our own universe. And there were some really wise people who told me very early on that, you know, whatever you do, create a box that they all can exist. So this universe is that box where we cage a few monsters.
I have another question for you. After we've seen the latest being Vedant,
So there are going to be two more characters that will be introduced. Thama, the film, will carry the next announcement of what's releasing the following year. And sometime 6 months after that, like how Munja and Stree came back to back, they'll be the last film. They're called Shakti Shalini and Chamunda. And then we will go into the second part. And then Shraddha will give you some interesting. Before Stree 3 comes, what's going to come? What's going to come, Shraddha?
अभी बोल ही दूं
हाँ बोल दो
यार, ये मैं सच बताऊं, ये मेरा सबसे फेवरेट पार्ट है मैडॉक हॉरर कॉमेडी यूनिवर्स का. जब टीनू ने मुझे ये बात बताई, आई थॉट कि सच में आपका नाम दिनेश विजन ही होना चाहिए, क्योंकि गाइस, मैडॉक हॉरर कॉमेडी यूनिवर्स इज कमिंग आउट विथ छोटी स्त्री एज एन एनिमेटेड फिल्म जो होगी रिलीज थिएटर्स में. तो मतलब सबके लिए, बच्चों के लिए, फैमिलीज के लिए आई थिंक एकदम धमाल ही होने वाला है. एंड आई थिंक कि इंडिया के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटिंग टाइम्स है, एंड इट जस्ट फील्स अमेजिंग टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस यूनिवर्स.
आई थिंक बच्चे बड़े सब साथ में स्त्री देखते हैं. एंड द इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग अबाउट छोटी स्त्री, द वे अमर एंड निरेन हैव conceptualized it, is it will end with a scene from Stree 3. So it will go from animation to a live film at the end, and will actually answer the question ke backstory kya thi. So that's you won't have to wait that much. So it will come 6 months before Stree 3. Correct?
Lovely. Hi Ayushman. Right. Hi. Firstly, congratulations on joining this insane universe that we've already envisioned, and even we've been a part of ourselves. And in your case, every time you have a film coming, it always feels a little more personal. The wings feel more real, but it's apna lagta hai. It always feels like that. What I want to know from you is, whatever lists the little bit of a hiatus that happened right now, and now here you are, is there ever a factor that you feel that, okay, this is the kind of step that I always wanted, this is the big step that, I have taken and always envisioned for myself? Or is it just still a factor ke bhai isme bhi instinct hi tha when it comes to the script, when it comes to the character?
Okay, the thing is, this is something which is very special, and I've always wanted to do this, be a part of Maddock Horror Comedy Universe. As I said, it's the most sought after universe in the history of Indian cinema. I'm again playing a common man, but having uncommon things around me, with the supernatural powers around me. I don't know what to do with that. So this is something which is very unique, which has happened to me before in my previous films. At the same time, I truly believe in Dinesh Vision. कभी कभी तो इनको मैं टीचर्स डे पे हैप्पी टीचर्स डे बोल देता हूँ, काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. सो यू आर इन वेरी सेफ हैंड्स, and the universe is carrying forward. The next chapter is Thama. It's really exciting. It's new to me. It's disruptive again. So yeah, waiting for Diwali.
The fact that I've seen the film and he hasn't, I think Bala showed a sensitive side of Ayushman. He's when he finishes the film, he's a detached actor, and Bala was the character he couldn't let go of. He was highly emotional, which is unlike him. But I have to tell you, Thama is going to show you something that you haven't seen before. It is his career best performance. It has got so many range, at the end of the film, in the beginning he's a common man just like all of us. At the end of the film, he's a sexy beast. So you know, you get the whole journey.